Hello everyone and welcome. This is the third video in our series. Now we are going to discuss how to include image into your app. So first we will import only WX, and after that we have a class. To include image into your app you should define image panel. So we will say we have a class image panel inheritance WX.panel. We will define the constructor, define init of self dot parent so super image panel and self dot init of parent and this constructor defined that this image panel will be parent from a high level component. Let's say this high level component will be a frame. After that we have the bitmap, so we'll define this bitmap in, let's say, photo equal wx.bitmap, and here we will define the icon in find.png. So photo self.bitmap. This image panel have the property of bitmap, so self.bitmap equals wx.static bitmap of self, and let's say bitmap will be bitmap will be the photo, and here bitmap has in small. The next part is to define that we have a frame. So second, let's add comment here. Second part is to add frame. So we have class my frame inheritance from wx.frame. We will define the constructor for this class. So define init self and parent, and title as moment will be like that: super my frame self dot init parent, and the title equals title. After that we will add this panel, which is image panel, to the frame. So self.panel, panel has the property of panel. Self.panel equals image panel, which we have defined earlier in this class, image panel. So image panel of self had so the frame, this frame, my frame, will be parent of this image panel. After that, the final part is to define the app and the main method. We have typed it earlier in previous videos, so I have pasted it, and it seems that this app is ready for executing. I have saved it, and it seems better to go to this directory and change directory to this directory, and let's say Python. We will run this app by Python 3.py. So 3.py, we have error in line 3. So the error here, when we make this image panel a subclass of WxPython in the WX library panel. WxPython is defined as D capital. So I have saved it and changed it and run. Let's run this again. We have global image panel is defined. So the exception in line 5 image also will be capitalized, and let's run it again, and it should display this simple app which has this icon, this image as background, and this image will be static, and it seems static in everywhere. This image includes as I have mentioned in image panel, and this image panel includes in the frame, and this frame is the main part of our app. In the next video we will talk about binding to events in